This is Family Type Manager Unit of Measure Converter. With this tool, you're able to convert up to 5 million values at one time between metric and imperial, or values within each unit of measure. So in this example, we're going to do we've got a lookup table, and in this lookup table, we've got some values were in imperial and some are metric. So what we're going to do is come down here and grab all of these metric values. We're going to copy that, come back into our unit measure converter, and we're going to go and just paste these values right here. We have an option for has headers selected, and do on and off. So we want to capture that. In this case here, we're going to, yes, convert from metric to imperial, and we're going to do our distance. And from here to metric, millimeters. And we have to now do is convert this over into inches. And we're just going to do 2 decimal places, and that's it. So at this point here, we'll just come back and click and assign our values. We now have all of our information we need to convert. So copy that, come back to our lookup table. Let's go and paste those values. That's been changed. And all I'm going to do is go up here and change this over now. So I'll just do find and replace, and we're going to convert. And just do replace. Done. So we now have a catalog ready to send back into Revit that's been fully converted over into Imperial. Thank you for watching.